heroes of Monster High. Something killer, something fierce.
Yeah, we're fierce. Monster High.
Teen children of legendary monsters.
Frankie's electrifying, stitching with style. Claudine's killer boots, fantastic smile. Dracula's vamping count fab and more. Laguna's true blue, fishnets galore. Clear Nile, drip and go bling. Freaky, streaky, bangs, bangs. It's a monsterista thing.
Get your fashion freak on. Wicked style so good, it's scary. Monster High dolls, each sold separately. Journal totally comes with.
The first ever Monster High DVD.
Ghouls and rules. See how ghouls take back their school. Starring Frankie, Claudine, Draculaura, and Cleo. In the Monster High School dance party. Decorations are fantabulous. Style is freaky fabulous. What's it cool? Ghouls hide behind the mask. Thought you'd never ask.
Monster High Dolls in High School each sold separately. DVD coming soon. Monster High Ghouls Rule. You can own it on DVD October 9th.
Monster High, join us and scare us. The city of frights, ooh la la, and ghoulish fashion delights in a scary Asian cafe. Claudine, Rochelle, and Frankie Stein meet new fashion monsters, so deadly divine. A fashion tale, Jennifer. From Mexico, Senorita Scalita. Her fashion's freaky, fab bonita.
Come visit Scaris. Monster High Scaris Dolls.
Monster High, they're alive. When Frankie gets worked up, she sparks at the bowl. When the moon is full, Claudine feels the pull. Secrets are what Spectra glows for.
Monster High Ghouls Alive Dolls. 13 Wishes, the all-new DVD starring
New Ghoul Gigi, Magic Lamp Genie, and Twyla turns nightmares into dreams. Gigi grants new look wishes for Laguna and Howleen. On the party, that's a scream. Jam into the ghoulish tunes, plug in your music too. 13 freaky fabulous wishes coming true.
Monster High Dolls and Party playset, each sold separately. Batteries and MP3 player not included.